Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson. We're here approaching Mahoe Drive. We're seeing the workers from Water Commission repairing the broken main. We showed you earlier an early update here along Mahoe Drive. So NWC is now repairing of the broken main. We're seeing the pipe now running above ground here. And connected on the outside here, the repair work has now taken place on the repair of Mahoe Drive. Yeah, Ronald again. Ronald, listen, good work?
Yeah, it's me. Well, it's good work now. And I hope everything alright now because the third time now they come fix it. I want the Water Commission, they are good workers and they put out a good job. But I feel this time, this is the right job. But we know that most of the pipe them want to change out because them rotten and them dead there for decades. But from the pipe them burst, Water Commission ever give their hospitality to fix the pipe. So when we gotta pay up. Because them don't itch. And big up Delroy Williams, he's my boss forever. And big up Anjo, he's my boss. And he's my leader. Okay? Alright.
You can see repair work is taking place on the underground leak here at Mahoe Drive by Water Commission. Dudley Thompson at 3 miles. Sorry, at Mahoe Drive for Lucifer News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and again thanks in advance.